Whether you are working in a workshop or on a DIY project, Handy Tools always has your back whenever needed. They are thoughtfully designed to serve specific purposes on your job site, and so you can carry out the entire job smoothly and efficiently. So, the significance of such useful tools goes beyond saying. With that in mind, in today's video, we are going to discuss 10 new amazing tools to give you a convenient work experience. So, without any delay, let's get started.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
First, we have the Uniweld 700-03, a heavy-duty flaring tool that features a hardened steel flaring cone and a chrome finish to deliver more uniform flares without galling. It comes with a forged steel swivel-type self-serving yoke, a long handle, and wing nuts, which allows you to use the long handle of the yoke as a lever when you are tightening. Also, it features a hardened steel flaring bar that smoothly grips the tubing without scoring. So, from copper to aluminum and even brass, you can easily ensure 45 degrees of flaring of 3 by 16 inches, 1/4 inch, 5 by 16 inch OD, and so on. So, it effectively ensures uniform flares that meet your needs. Next on the list, we have PB Swiss Tools PB212LH-10RB, a set of hex keys that comes with different key sizes to use on all types of cap head and socket head screws. With key size from 1.5 millimeters to 10 millimeters, longer handle, and 30 degrees wide offset ball end, it can easily fit in any hand and eventually reach less accessible areas. In addition, its chrome plating is finished with a color-coded powder coat, and its perfect dimensional accuracy makes it last exceptionally longer than others. Plus, each tool is different color-coded, which makes them highly distinctive and easy to use. Also, it includes a plastic holder for the keys. So, this hex set brings different color codes based on key sizes, which allows beginners to identify and use easily. Looking for a compact bolt cutter from your worksite? Then the Olympia Tools 39-123 Power Grip Bolt Cutter is just the one you need, that comes with patented foldable handles and fits perfectly in your tools bag. It features heat-treated and drop-forged alloy steel jaws which can easily cut through soft and hard metals. Also, it combines 24-inch long handles with compound hinges to deliver maximum leverage and cutting force. With its ergonomic grips, you can comfortably hold them, and its patented folding handles allow you to carry them in your bag easily. Plus, the extra-wide handles of this bolt cutter significantly reduces pressure on your hands. Overall, this bolt cutter delivers heavy-duty cutting strength with a comfortable hand grip within a compact package. Get under the door moldings and emblems effortlessly with the LYSEL Molding String 81950, a compact molding tool that comes with 3-inch wide sharp edges and much more. With its wedge angle, you can easily separate the double-sided tape from your vehicle's doors or body. Also, it features a high-impact acetyl construction, which enhances your usage with a mallet on stubborn applications. Additionally, the plastic construction of this molding strip will not leave a mark or even a scratch on your vehicle's paint, no matter how hard you use it. So, combining acetyl construction with a wide, sharp edge, this molding strip makes your molding work smoother and efficient. Up next, we have RIDGID 234-88PC-1250, a handy and easy-to-use tool that can easily cut through plastic pipes and tubes. It comes with a 1x8-inch to 1x5-inch OD capacity, and so it's suitable to cut a variety of plastic pipes, such as PVC, CPVC, PP, etc. Also, it features spring-loaded handles so that you can position it faster and get smooth single-stroke cuts every time. In addition, its reversible blades are built to last, which provides 2 times of blade life. Besides, its durable aluminum construction makes it suitable for heavy-duty usage. Ideally, it is a great, easy-to-use tool for cutting single-layered plastic pipes and tubes. Be it a thin wire or a conductor, get precise stripping every time with the WEICON Precision Wire Stripper S, which comes with various stripping ranges and adjustable length options. It features stripping pliers which can strip wires from 0.12 millimeters to a narrow state of 0.8 millimeters within a few seconds. Also, it offers adjustable lengths from 5 millimeters to 45 millimeters to get your desired stripping length. Plus, with its integrated scanning system, you will get clean stripping every time without damaging the cable. Finally, its ergonomic shape enables fatigue-free working, no matter if you are a right-hand or left-hand user. With this tool, you will get a precise and non-slip working experience whenever you need to strip wires and even the thinnest conductors. Replace your old analog gauge and bring the Testo 549, a digital manifold that delivers accurate refrigerant pressure and temperature measurements within your AC, refrigerator, and even heat pumps. Unlike traditional analog gauges, it can store data up to 60 refrigerant profiles, precise measurements, and automatic calculations as well. Also, this digital manifold features extremely sensitive sensors that determine high or low side pressure as well as evaporation and saturation temperature. Equipped with a large 2-line backlight display and a 2-way valve block, this device delivers a convenient experience. Furthermore, the built-in convenient suspension hook enables you to attach it securely to whatever place you want. Besides, a rugged design and impact-resistant housing make it ideal for harsh working environments. So this digital manifold combines all the advanced features to deliver accurate measurements, which you can never get from conventional analog manifolds. In terms of industrial usage, LYSEL has been delivering environment-friendly hot air for decades with its powerful and robust air heaters. And their latest LHS 210 and LHS 410 air heaters are no exception. Their compact design makes them ideally suitable for installing in any industrial plant within a limited space. Also, they offer a well-thought design for easy connection compatibility to the power source. Additionally, the housing connection is located outside of the airflow, which brings in additional advantages. The first advantage is the unhindered airflow without any loss in pressure, and the other one is ensuring protection against overheating, which allows air inlets up to 350 degrees Celsius. Plus, they bring in dedicated models for serving specific purposes, such as SF models are compatible with an extensive line of nozzles, DF models are suitable for integration in the piping system, and so on. So both of these heaters become the ideal choice that replaces gas flames in the industry for delivering environmentally friendly hot air. Introducing the most powerful Oregon cordless CS3000R7, a self-sharpening chainsaw that delivers more strength and faster cuts unlike any chainsaw. With its brushless motor and high capacity of 40-volt max battery, it delivers a combination of speed and torque to tackle any cutting job effortlessly. Also, it features an innovative Power Sharp technology that sharpens the chain within the saw instantly, and so you don't have to deal with dull chains. Weighing just about 12 pounds, you can easily carry and use it anywhere you want. In addition, it features a 16-inch glide bar and toolless chain tensioning system for a convenient user experience. You can instantly power it up by pulling the trigger, which omits the need of pulling quartz warmer, or gas mixing. On a single charger, it can deliver up to 400 cuts. The ergonomic design of this machine ensures maximum convenience on the job and allows it to be used for as long as needed. And at the top of the list, we have the Fiskars Versatile Wrecking Bar, which is used for bending or straightening boards, pulling nails, or even making holes in drywall. It features an industry-leading IsoCore shock control system that effectively absorbs strike shock and vibration up to 4 times less than typical wood handles. Also, this wrecking bar offers a bender and straightener to reuse and straighten boards whenever needed. With its chisel and pry, you can easily remove tile. Besides, it can withstand up to 600 pounds of pry force due to its forged, heated steel base. On the other hand, the flared handle ensures that you are firmly keeping the hammer in your hand while swinging it. Ultimately, it's a handy and versatile heavy-duty tool that ensures quality performance under all circumstances. So, that was our list of the 10 new amazing tools just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.